Have you noticed those advertisements that show up when you're using your mobile phone? Did you know that there are software companies working to show you these mobile ads? Hi everyone, welcome to Stock Talk with Jay. I'm your host Jyotsna, and today we are going to discuss a very interesting software company in the field of mobile advertising that's called Affle India Private Limited. So let's begin. Let's understand Affle's business with a few examples. If you've ever ordered food online, you must have noticed that the app keeps nudging and poking you to order the food. For example, if you're working late at night, it asks you whether you would like to order food from restaurants near you instead of cooking it yourself. So, Affle builds these kind of softwares and then sells it to apps like Swiggy, etc. Another example would be if you've used applications, you might have noticed some sponsored ads in between. That's again something that Affle does. They also build software that enables users to book an item online and then go visit the store offline to collect it. So, the summary is that Affle is a mobile advertising and customer acquisition software builder. Digital advertising and mobile advertising. We've been hearing these buzzwords quite a lot. So let's understand more about the digital industry. These days, there's hardly a person who does not have access to the internet or a smartphone. As per the World Economic Forum, by 2022, 60% of the global GDP will be digitized. And as people are spending more and more time online, the advertising industry is shifting its spend to digital as well. In 2020 alone, almost half the ad spend was on digital advertising in US as well as globally. Talking about India, the digital advertising and mobile advertising spend are expected to grow at more than 30% CAGR by 2025. Now that's a huge number. The company was founded almost 17 years ago by Mr. Anuj Khanna Soham, who is also the current CEO and chairman. He has studied at Harvard, Stanford, National University of Singapore, and has almost 20 years of experience as a serial entrepreneur in the field of media and technology. Moving on to their business strategy. Affle's primary market includes the areas marked in blue, comprising of India, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and Latin America, whereas the other key markets include regions marked in orange, which includes North America, EU, Japan, and Australia. Affle's software touches more than 2 billion connected devices globally. So, what exactly is Affle's strategic growth plan? Well, for starters, they are investing to reach the next billion shoppers on connected devices. They want to move from just mobile phones to other connected devices like smartwatches, etc. They want to further penetrate in emerging markets, and they will continue to invest in enhancing their technological capabilities as they continue to pursue acquisitions. Affle has been on a shopping spree with lots and lots of acquisitions. So let's look at some of these. In the last 4 years, Affle has made 8 acquisitions to complement their existing business. This is part of their inorganic growth plan and includes companies such as MediaSmart in the UK and the most recent acquisition of Jampp in Latin America. Let's do some number crunching now and look at their financials. Affle's market cap as of date is 14,429 crores. The share is currently priced at 5414 each. Affle's price to earning ratio is 95 and their price to book value is 40.2. These are much higher compared to the industry average. Their debt to equity ratio is 0.33. Their average return on equity for the last 3 years has been 50% and average return on capital employed for the last 3 years has been 46.3%. Affle's revenue has increased from 167 crores in 2018 to 517 crores in 2021. Talking about their bottom line, their net profit after tax has increased from 28 crores in 2018 to 135 crores in 2021. Moving on to their shareholding pattern. Affle's promoter group has about 59.89% shareholding in the company. Foreign institutional investors FIIs and domestic institutional investors DIIs hold about 25% stake in the company, with the remaining shareholding with the public. The institutional investors include funds like Nomura, Aditya Birla Capital, Nippon Life, and L&T Mutual Fund. Other investors include Microsoft, D2C, and the Bennett Coleman Group. To summarize, Affle is a global technology company with a profitable business model and a well-defined strategic growth plan. It builds software for mobile advertising and customer acquisition. It has a global reach with about half the revenue coming from India and the other half coming from international regions. I hope you found this video useful. If you want me to analyze more companies, comment their names down below.